Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this virtual phone system design platform, which is KrispCall. So to get started, KrispCall is a virtual phone system designed for businesses that need affordable and flexible communication tools. It offers international number in over 100 countries, call monitoring, recording, and integration with CRMs like HubSpot. Many users appreciate a 24/7 customer support and find it useful for managing both local and international calls from one platform, which make it a good option for small business and startup looking to expand globally. On the flip side, on that side, some users have reported issues with call quality, hidden fee, delay number porting, and limited mobile app features. They are also complained about occasional billing problem and syncing difficulties, which can be frustrating for growing teams. In conclusion, KrispCall is a solid budget-friendly VoLP option if you want a global reach and easy setup, but its reliability and advanced features are your top priority, which is more to established providers might be a better fit. So that's it.